Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss modern age essayists. Introduction. The modern age, spanning the late 19th and early 20th centuries, was a period of significant transformation in English and Irish literature. Among the notable developments of this era was the revival of the short periodical essay, a literary form that gained renewed prominence and popularity. This resurgence was marked by the contributions of several distinguished essayists who brought wit, polish, and insightful commentary to their work. Prominent figures such as Sir Max Beerbohm, E.V. Lucas, and A.G. Gardiner, writing under the pseudonym Alpha of the Plough, played pivotal roles in shaping the landscape of essay writing during this transformative period. Their distinctive styles and prolific outputs not only enriched literary discourse but also set the stage for future generations of writers. This video explores the contributions of these essayists, highlighting their works, stylistic approaches, and enduring impact on modern age literature. Sir Max Beerbohm, the quintessential essayist. Sir Max Beerbohm, 1872 to 1956, stands out as one of the most outstanding exponents of the short periodical essay during the modern age. Renowned for his witty, urbane, and polished prose, Beerbohm masterfully blended satire with graceful language, creating essays that were both entertaining and intellectually stimulating. This ability to couch sharp critiques within elegant and humorous narratives made his work highly influential and widely appreciated. Beerbohm's essays were published in a series of collections, including the works of Max Beerbohm 1896, More 1899, Yet Again 1909, and Even Now 1920, and Mainly on the Air 1946. These compilations showcased his versatility and depth, covering a broad spectrum of subjects with a distinctive flair. Whether dissecting societal norms, lampooning contemporary figures, or delving into literary criticism, Beerbohm's essays were marked by their impeccable style and incisive insight. His work not only entertained readers but also provided keen observations on the cultural and social dynamics of his time, cementing his legacy as a masterful essayist. E.V. Lucas, the traveler and biographer. E.V. Lucas, 1868 to 1938, was another prominent figure in the revival of the periodical essay. As a traveler and biographer of Charles Lamb, Lucas brought a unique perspective to his essays, infusing them with a sense of adventure and historical depth. His writing was notable for its lightness of touch, ease, and naturalness, making his essays accessible and engaging to a broad readership. Lucas authored an immense number of essays, many of which were collected in volumes such as Character and Comedy 1907, Old Lamps for New 1911, Loiterer's Harvest 1913, and Cloud and Silver 1916. These works reflect his ability to blend personal anecdotes and broader cultural and historical observations, creating essays that were both informative and entertaining. Lucas's focus on everyday experiences, combined with his knack for storytelling, allowed him to connect with readers on a personal level, making his essays resonate deeply with those seeking both knowledge and enjoyment in their reading. A.G. Gardiner, Alpha of the Plough. The gentle satirist A.G. Gardiner, 1865 to 1946, writing under the pseudonym Alpha of the Plough, made significant contributions to the periodical essay with his charming and evocative prose. Gardiner's work focused on village life in the days before mass production and easy communications, capturing the essence of a simpler, more connected existence. His essays are celebrated for their nostalgic portrayal of rural life, blending gentle satire with heartfelt appreciation for traditional crafts and community bonds. Gardiner's notable collections include Pebbles on the Shore, 1917, and Leaves in the Wind, 1920. These volumes offer a vivid depiction of pastoral scenes and the subtle changes brought about by modernization. Through his eloquent and affectionate writing, Gardiner highlighted the beauty and resilience of rural communities, providing readers with a poignant reflection on the impact of industrialization and technological advancements on traditional ways of life. His work remains a testament to the enduring value of simplicity and human connection in an increasingly complex world. The Rhymers Club and Early Essayists. Ernest Dowson, 1867–1900, Lionel Johnson, 1867–1902, were instrumental in forming the Rhymers Club, a group of London-based poets who sought to promote a refined and aesthetically pleasing form of poetry and essay writing. Although the group's primary focus was on poetry, their approach to ornamenting trivial subjects with otherworldly beauty of sound influenced the style and substance of their essays. While the Rhymers Club was not universally acclaimed for its contributions, it played a role in fostering a community of writers dedicated to enhancing the aesthetic quality of their work. W.B. Yeats, though associated with Rhymers Club for a time, began to develop a more mature and substantial poetic voice during this period. His early involvement with the group provided him with valuable experience and connections, which would later inform his contributions to modernist literature. Although not all members of the Rhymers Club achieved lasting fame, their collective efforts contributed to the evolution of essay writing by emphasizing stylistic grace and lyrical beauty. Legacy and enduring influence. The revival of the short periodical essay during the modern age had a lasting impact on English and Irish literature. Essayists like Sir Max Beerbohm, E.V. Lucas, and A.G. Gardiner demonstrated the versatility and depth of the essay form, providing it to be a powerful medium for both entertainment and intellectual discourse. Their works set high standards for clarity, elegance, and emotional resonance, influencing subsequent generations of writers to explore new themes and refine their stylistic approaches. Moreover, the emphasis on art for art's sake and aesthetic beauty laid the groundwork for future literary movements, including modernism. The precise and evocative imagery championed by these essayists can be seen in the works of later poets and writers who sought to break away from conventional forms and embrace more experimental and personal expressions. The legacy of the modern age essayists is evident in the continued appreciation for well-crafted, insightful, and beautifully written essays that capture the complexities of human experience and societal change. Conclusion. The modern age marked a significant revival of the short periodical essay, driven by contributions of outstanding essayists who brought wit, elegance, and profound insight to their work. Sir Max Beerbohm, E.V. Lucas, and A.G. Gardiner exemplified the ideals of this literary form, using their polished prose to explore a wide range of subjects with both humor and depth. Their efforts not only enriched the literary landscape of their time, but also left an enduring legacy that continues to inspire contemporary writers. By embracing principles of aesthetic beauty, emotional resonance, and intellectual engagement, the essayists of the modern age demonstrated the enduring power of the essay as a form of artistic and cultural expression. So this was the discussion on the modern age and its essayists. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.